Welcome back to CarCraft, your go-to source for the latest updates in the automotive and motorcycle world. Today, we're diving into the high-revving, track-focused beast that's making waves in 2025, the Suzuki GSX-R 123. Known for pushing the limits of performance in a compact frame, this latest addition to the GSXR family redefines what a lightweight supersport can deliver. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 GSXR 123 is unmistakably a Suzuki. It inherits the aggressive styling DNA of its older siblings, but with a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette. Suzuki has sharpened the fairing lines and narrowed the profile for better airflow at high speeds. With dual LED headlamps and an integrated tail design, the bike looks modern, sharp, and race-ready. The color options range from Suzuki's signature Triton blue to a stealthy matte black and a limited edition red chrome that's turning heads across dealerships. Engine performance. The 123 badge fool you. The GSXR 123 is no entry-level toy. Packed with a newly developed 124.7 cubic centimeters single-cylinder DOHC engine, it's designed to deliver peak power at high RPMs while maintaining incredible fuel efficiency. The engine churns out 18.5 horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 12 Nm of torque, offering spirited performance for both city rides and track days. It comes paired with a smooth-shifting 6-speed gearbox and a lightweight slipper clutch that reduces rear-wheel chatter during aggressive downshifts. Chassis, handling, and suspension. Suzuki engineers have poured race-derived technology into the GSXR 123's handling dynamics. The lightweight aluminum frame provides exceptional rigidity, while the inverted front forks and adjustable rear monoshock offer a balanced ride across varying terrains. Weighing in at just 134 kilograms, the GSXR 123 handles like a dream, nimble in traffic, yet stable at high speeds. The wheelbase has been tightened, and the rake angle tweaked for improved cornering precision, making this bike ideal for riders who love to push limits. Brakes and safety tech. Safety isn't an afterthought here. The 2025 GSXR 123 features dual-channel ABS with pedal disc brakes on both ends, 290mm up front and 220mm in the rear, offering powerful, fade-resistant stopping power. Additionally, Suzuki has added a traction control system, a segment first for a 125cc class machine. Coupled with a ride-by-wire throttle and multiple ride modes, it gives beginners a safety net while still letting experienced riders extract full performance. Technology and features. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the full-color TFT display, borrowed from Suzuki's larger sport bikes. It features Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, gear position indicator, and even a lap timer for those track day warriors. The GSXR 123 also supports Suzuki's Easy Start system, allowing riders to fire up the engine with a single touch, no clutch pull required. USB charging ports and LED turn signals round off a very modern electronics package. Target audience and price point. So who is the GSXR 123 for? Suzuki is clearly targeting young riders and enthusiasts looking for a first supersport bike without compromising on quality or performance. It strikes the perfect balance between daily usability and weekend fun. With a starting price of around $4,999, it undercuts much of the competition while offering features typically seen in higher displacement motorcycles. Conclusion, final thoughts from CarCraft. The 2025 Suzuki GSXR 123 is more than just a new number in the GSXR family. It's a statement that performance, style, and technology can coexist in a smaller, more affordable package. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first real sport bike or a veteran rider who wants a fun, lightweight machine for weekend rides, the GSXR 123 might just be the perfect fit. Thanks for tuning in to CarCraft. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and updates from the world of 2 and 4 wheels. Until next time, ride safe and stay curious.